welcome to Crash Learning. So in the previous video we have seen the duplex method for the squaring for the 2-digit number. So please watch the video, and this is a video for the duplex of 3-digit number. So beforehand let me tell you what is meant by the duplex. The duplex is the method that we are going to square a 3-digit number. Take for example 221. So I am going to find the duplex of 21, which is nothing but we are going to square 221. So here I have written the general form that how to find the square of the 3-digit number by using the duplex method. So just let's see the general form. Take any 3-digit number. First we need to split the answer. So once you have split the answer, easily we can write the final product. So now the duplex of A, first write the duplex of A, which means we need to square A. The next part, the duplex of AB. So take 2-digit, the duplex of AB. Duplex of AB means we need to product A and B, and that should be multiplied by 2. So that 2 into A into B. And then we need to take the duplex of ABC. So ABC, in that sense we need to product A and C, and that should be multiplied by 2, and B should be squared and that should be added. So 2 into A into C plus B square. And then see, initially we have taken A and then AB and then ABC, and now this time BC, right? So now the duplex of BC, which means 2 into B into C, product of B and C, that should be multiplied by 2. And at last after BC it is C, right? So this is duplex of C, which means we need to square C. So once we are very concrete in this method, easily we can get the answer. I have taken an example, duplex of 221. So you may think that I have taken a very easy example. So initially when we take the easy example and we are very clear in the concept, we can apply for any 3-digit number, we can get the answer easily. So now I have taken the example 221 square. So now let's apply in this format, right? So which means duplex of 2 followed by duplex of 22 followed by duplex of 221 followed by duplex of 21 followed by duplex of 1. Do you see it? 221 is a number, initially 2, then 22, then 221, and then 21, at last 1. So then what we need to do, duplex of 2 means we need to square 2, right? So 2 square is 4. So now duplex of 22, we need to product these two, that is 2 into 2, and that answer should be multiplied by 2. And then duplex of 221. So what we need to do, 2 into A into C. 2 into, this is what A, and here is C, and plus we need to square B. And then duplex of 21, which means product these two, and that should be multiplied by 2. And then duplex of 1 is 1 square, which is 1. So now write the answers. This is 4, 2 to 4, 4 to 8. And then this is 2 to 4, 4 plus, this is B square, sorry, this is 2 square. So 2 square is 4, so 4 plus 4 is 8. And then 2 to 4, and then 1 square is 1. And now write, there is no 2-digit number in each case. We can write the answer together. The answer is 48,841, right? So the only thing, if you practice more, we can skip these 2 steps and directly we can go with the steps. So within 5 to 10 seconds you can get the answer. So once we have practiced more, we can get the answer quickly. Let's go with one more example, that is duplex of 123. So what I told, the duplex of 123 means 123 we are going to square it, right? So first step, that is duplex of 1 square. So 1 square is 1, right? I am writing directly. And then duplex of 12, right? 1 we have written, duplex of 12, which means 1 into 2, the product, and that should be multiplied by 2. And then duplex of 123, which means A and C you should product, and that should be multiplied by 2, and the B should be squared and added, which means 2 should be squared, right? And then the next part, 23 we need to take, 2 into 3 we need to find the product, and that should be multiplied by 2, and at last 3 should be squared. So 3 square is 9. So now let's write the answer. 1 square is 1, 2 to 4, and you see 3 2 times 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, and then 3 2 times 6, 6 2 times 12, and it is 9. And now write carefully from right to left. starts with 9 and write 2, and 1 should be added with 0, that is 1, and 1 should be added with 4, that is 5, and write 1 as it is. The answer is 15,129. So guys, practice more. You will be well versed in the duplex. Thank you.